Ever wondered what the future holds for the dental CAD CAM materials and systems market? Well, the crystal ball of Next Move Strategy Consulting predicts a bright future indeed, with the market poised to cross the $5 billion mark between 2024 and 2030. Let's delve into what's fueling this growth. A significant factor is the increasing rate of tooth loss. Add to that the rise in the edentulous population, that is, those without a single original adult tooth. These trends are creating a robust demand for dental CAD CAM materials and systems. But what gives CAD/CAM-based restorations the upper hand over traditional dental lab restorations? The answer lies in the numerous benefits they offer. Dental CAD CAM restorations are not only faster, but they also provide superior precision and customization. They're also more durable, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Now let's turn our attention to the geographical distribution of this market. In 2020, Europe claimed the lion's share of the dental CAD CAM materials and systems market. The region is expected to retain its dominance owing to the rise in dental caries and tooth loss, coupled with increasing patient awareness about CAD/CAM-based dental restorations. No market analysis would be complete without a glance at the key players. In the dental CAD CAM materials and systems market, these include the 3M Company, Envista Holding Corporation, Dental Wings, and Dentsply Sirona. Each of these players is vying for the maximum share of this burgeoning market, making it a highly competitive arena. To sum up, the dental CAD CAM materials and systems market is on an upward trajectory, driven by increasing tooth loss, the benefits of CAD/CAM-based restorations over traditional dental lab restorations, growth in the edentulous population, and technological advancements. Europe continues to lead the market, while major players like 3M Company, Envista Holding Corporation, Dental Wings, and Dentsply Sirona vie for dominance. Stay tuned to this space to keep a finger on the pulse of the ever-evolving landscape of the dental CAD CAM materials and systems market.